Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a simple query on the ShoreZone Flex Site using oil spill response as an example. You'll also learn how to extract data and imagery and save it to your desktop to access this information offline. At midnight on January 30th, 2009, the Alaska Marine Highway vessel Lituya broke free from its berth at Metlakatla on Annette Island in southeastern Alaska during a winter storm in the middle of the night. The vessel grounded on an offshore islet in the bay. SeaPro, which is the Southeast Petroleum Resource Organization, received an alert almost immediately after the incident. Cheryl Foltz of SeaPro used ShoreZone as part of her initial site assessment. Here's how. She was given the coordinates where the Lituya ran aground. Let's search by latitude and longitude, 55 degrees, 8 minutes, 26 seconds north, and 131 degrees, 34 minutes, 12 seconds west. Let's zoom in on the site. Low tide imagery provides responders with visual references of the site during summer months. It gives an idea of the general morphology of the surroundings. They can see if there are estuaries or other sensitive areas nearby to protect first. They can plan logistics more easily for the responders' deployment. This is Scrub Island with the Lituya that ran aground. You can look at critical shoreline information mapped by ShoreZone. Let's create a query using the Layer Query tab. Click on Build Query. Select Oil Residency Index with long persistence, months to years. Select also Marsh Grasses. The Presence checkbox is selected by default. Click on the Execute Query tab. You can give a name to your layer, say sensitive areas, and select a color. You can decide if you want to have a query using both conditions, long persistence and grass marsh, or at least one of them. Before you click to add that layer of information on the map, you can first test it to see if there are actually any shore units with those attributes. Click on Test Query. The number of units found will show under Total Unit Count. If it doesn't, then you can go back. If it does, you have options to view the query or download it. You can also edit the raw query if you're familiar with the SQL programming language, or save the query to your desktop by clicking the icon in the Query panel. So, if you're happy with the query you created and you want to view what it looks like on the map, click Add Layer under the Execute Query tab. And there you go. You have your most sensitive areas appearing on the map. An important tab is the View Query. Here you can download the shapefile, which is a geospatial file format. You have to click on the name of your query first for it to show up in the window and a disk icon to appear at the bottom next to the total number of units. Note that there are some saved queries posted on the website by NOAA. If you develop a handy query, you can share it with others. Just send it to our data manager, Steve Lewis. You can then zoom in closer on some areas of interest to see the imagery and look at the geomorphology for logistics purposes. Is it sandy or rocky? Where can we land a boat? Where can we put some booms? By clicking the disk icon in the map frame, you can download everything. Trackline with or without imagery, shoreline, and attribute and query layers to access them offline. Note that you can download the scale of a bay or a few hundreds of kilometers at a time. If you add many attribute layers and queries, it might become an issue when you want to download. So that concludes our query example tutorial. If you have any questions about the ShoreZone Flex site, you'll find NOAA contacts on the main ShoreZone webpage. Steve Lewis is the data manager for the ShoreZone Flex site. The ShoreZone.org website is also full of resources about ShoreZone. You can explore the Supporting Documentation tab for more information. Thanks for watching.